Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Skate not launching on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, if you're on Steam, open your library, right-click Skate, select Properties, and go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files to scan and repair missing or corrupted files. Next, right-click skate.exe from the game folder, select Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. After that, update your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and restart your PC. If the issue continues, open the NVIDIA app or AMD software, go to Drivers, and install the latest version. You can also install the latest VC redistributables, then restart your computer. So that's basically how you can fix Skate not launching on PC. That's it for this video. Thanks.